Gloria Estefan living. The White House here was once from Rose Kennedy, the mother of John F. Kennedy, the president in the 60s. Then later it became from Rosal O'Donnell and Oprah Winfrey. This is the fascination. Not here. The fascination belongs to the Carnival Cruise Lines, but also have the holiday, the fantasy, the ecstasy, the sensation, the holiday, the Carnival Triumph, the Carnival Paradise, which is a non-smoking ship. Then you have the Carnival Victory. There are many of them, whole bunch. They not only sailing from here, but also from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Port Tampa, and Port Canaveral. Depends the weather conditions in this season. Then you have here the Majesty of the Seas, what takes you 4 days a cruise, leaving tonight and coming back on Thursday or Friday morning. It goes to the Bahamas, to Paradise Island, and it goes to Coco Plum, the private island of the Royal Caribbean. The Bahamas are selling their islands to all kind of cruise line companies, including
No. Hey, Oscar.
Matalinong agent natin, matipon mo, simpatiko rin ang pogi, matinik na ex-photo. Habulin, lin, 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 parang chicks. Mahigpit ko mulang di magbilang at nabibitin. Hindi lang pang sports, itong chick boy. Ito ang kwento ko. Minsan nga, may maganda, nilapitan niya ako. Tinanong niya, sekreto ko, kako I'm simply irresistible. Ang sabi niya, ang kapal ko, ang kapal daw ng muscles ko. Ang sabi ko, wala pa yan sa giling-giling ko.
Wow.
See me now?
What?
You see me?
Yes? Well, it is the camera.
Oh yeah. More needed.
Dati ko rin ang pogi, matinik na X44. Habulin